This is so good. Just like you.
Aw, you're so sweet. I love sharing this with you.
Me too.
This cake looks so cute. It does. We should decorate it nicely. Yes, let's make it perfect.
My dear, I love you more than words can say.
Oh, my love, you make my heart flutter.
My love, the food smells wonderful.
I'm glad, dear. I made it just for you.